And as you can see, this is the path right here up to the HTML part. This is the path of our web hosting account. So we're going to copy that and we're going to paste that right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Magento media folder and a temp folder for our upload temp directory. So what we're going to do here right now is we're going to type media/tmp. And we're going to leave it at that, and we're going to save this file. And now in the PHP info file, see, the thing is that GoDaddy doesn't update the PHP 5.ini file immediately after clicking save. The changes basically don't take effect right away. It could be 5 to 10 minutes. This was basically throwing me off while trying to install Magento because I was getting no input file selected message or something like that when I went to install because the changes didn't take effect immediately. So you should wait. A good way to check whether those changes have taken effect would be to go to your info.php file and refresh it, and then go to the temp directory section, the upload temp there right here, and as you can see it's still /tmp, which means that the changes didn't take effect, because if they would have taken effect you would see the path of our media folder and the temp folder which we just added. So now what we should do is go back to our media folder here and make sure that you have the folder TMP. I already created this folder earlier. You don't have it because Magento doesn't come with this folder installed by default. It's basically a custom folder that I created.